Hello everyone, welcome to Ancient Agora. Hello my beautiful people, how are you all doing? In today's vlog we'll be exploring Ancient Agora. This is a place worth visiting, and here was an open space in the past where people gathered to discuss different issues and where different activities took place. Let's go! You guys are surely going to enjoy this vlog. Agora means gathering place, and Agora is located in the northwest of the Acropolis. Here was the center of their daily lives. They gather here to discuss different issues, meet new friends, and trade their goods here in Agora. Thank you all my returning subscribers. You all have really been amazing. And if you are new here, kindly do subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Love you all. Let's go.
Oh, echt een keer.
Little tortoise.
Tortoise.
How are you, tortoise? Wow guys, look at this little parrot here on the tree. Building right here is the Temple of Hephaestus, which was built in order to honor Hephaestus and Athena as patrons of the art and craft then. The building consists of two wings, the west having 4 rooms and the east one. Between them is a small colonnade. North of the structure on a stone base has been set up a pier of marble official standards for the manufacture of terracotta roof tiles used for the control of commerce. Wow. Now we're heading somewhere else.
It's beautiful.
Somebody just come. Yeah. Black and press not can be beautiful.
Yeah, it's very beautiful, huh?
Yeah.
What is the price? Wow, yes.
Somebody just come.
This
No, this is a very good price for shoe. I like that size one.
Oh my God. We are vibing here.
Come on. Those are my sisters here. Who is Benny?
Νικός να ρωτήσει πριν στα φιλιά.
It's lunchtime, guys. It's really been a stressful day, so we want to go rest and take some lunch. And if you have watched to this extent, kindly do subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video, and also leave a comment in the comment section your favorite part in this video. Thank you. We've come to the end of today's vlog. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and see you all in my next video. Love you all.